I get that question all the time. How much is my advisor charging? How much is my advisor charging? Or I'm consulting with people who have financial advisors and I'm asking them how much their advisor is charging and they come up blank. Listen, I get it, right? Sometimes we have hesitations to ask questions when we don't feel sure of ourselves. However, there is so much importance on being clear and being in the know. And because there's a question of what the cost versus the value is, how are you supposed to evaluate the cost versus value if you don't even know how much your advisor is charging? So the way you find out is by asking. You ask and ask and ask until you get a very clear return. And in fact, if you have to ask too many times before you get a clear answer, in my opinion, that's a red flag. Listen, I believe that financial advisors and anybody should be getting paid what they deserve to be paid, right? If they're giving value, they're an asset, they absolutely should be getting paid. However, it is so important that it's clear. And if that's not clear, you need to ask. And if it's not being communicated, that may mean you should be even more interested in finding out. But you want to know, how much are they getting paid? Is it flat fee? Is it a percentage of asset under management? And you also want to know if they're getting any commissions for the stuff that they may be helping you buy, especially if they're the ones that are managing whatever account you have with them. I don't believe that everybody needs a financial advisor constantly. However, I also do not believe there's anything wrong in having an advisor. The most important thing, like everything else, is to make sure that you're getting value in exchange for what you pay. All right? All right. Enjoy.